Hello, my favorite humanoids. So, finally back from having my vacation. And yeah, let's just start where we left off and try to game a bit, make some news, and bloody hell, also finish my tech video. It is long overdue. Yeah, let's see if I still don't have it. Da-da-da-da. What was it now? I got. Did I have any god boom boom shit on here? Oh, they are attacking, huh? If I remember correctly. No. What the shit. We need to get into a better position. They are there. Oh, what the hell? Hey, major failure already, and there's a tank here somewhere. Huh? Hey, I never cease to surprise myself how much I suck. Yeah, straight behind me, huh? Ah, yeah. I should have changed weapon. What the hell? Yeah. It is just ridiculous. What do I got here? Rockets and no small presence of freedom.
The enemy is setting the charge.
Yeah. I need to. Okay, oh shit, yeah, I remember that I forgot. How surprising. General bombing went wrong.
The enemy is setting explosives.
Yes. Capitan Pompayou. This what should I say? Good weather outside, 26 degrees. Lost approximately 60 pounds. Yeah, nothing much else. And the noise in my headset is incredible. Wiebel Bahnhof.
The enemy is setting explosives. Our target is being mined. The enemy set the explosives.
God damn it!
The enemy captured the position. Get it together.
Aye. We're going to. Where's my spawn? Oh, here I am. Oh. Yes. Just like I remembered it.
The enemy setting explosives. The enemy set the explosives. Disarm the target. The control point was captured by the enemy.
Mm-hmm. That's right. He's up here somewhere, huh?
Angriff! So, wir müssen diesen Punkt halten!
The enemy is setting the charge.
I can hear can hear it.
The enemy's getting ready to detonate. Disarm the bomb. The enemy is taking control of the position.
Ich brauche Deckung! Lade nach! Alle von uns wurde getötet! Ja, und verdammte Ratte!
Don't let the enemy fortify their position.
Hey, meine Schachtel ist leer! Lade nach! Gib auf! Wieder ein zufriedener Kunde! Mann, bleib einfach unten! Снял одного!
Ah, schneller. Okay. Well. This was a nice whooping. But you have to just like to get the dust off and get even worse. How to engage the air brakes. Where are they at? Nobody is pressing anything that looks like a V. Have to look for fire. Where are they coming from?
Davon kannst du noch viel mehr haben!
Oh, am I hit badly? Oh, there was a enemy aircraft. What the hell? What the hell? How was it now?
The enemy has captured the control point.
Can't remember actually. Very nice. What was it now? No. There, yeah.
The enemy is setting explosives.
Who owns that bloody tank? Oh, it's my own tank.
The enemy is setting explosives.
Dannazione, il mio caricatore fuoco, ricarico! Crepate, bastardi! Copritemi!
Oh. Bastardi! Anyways, that was fun. Oh.
Ich mach dich kalt! Und wenn es das letzte ist, was ich tue!
Our target is being mined. The enemy is setting the charge. Our target was mined. Disarm the charge.
Oh, bloody hell.
Allies are deactivating the charge. We started clearing the target.
Alle von uns wurde getötet! Heilige Scheiße! Er hat sich Zeit gelassen!
Okay,
Our defenses have failed. We
excellent.
lost this battle. Damn, we lost our position.
No worries. So that was the School of Hard Knocks. Oh, look at that. That looks fun. Sturmpistol. Yeah. Then you know you're bad. Or your teammates were. Anyways, let's talk another day. Perhaps some news tonight.